In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unpublish your Wix website. Okay, so this is my website as an example just for these videos. Now I'll just publish it real quick and then show you how to unpublish it because this one isn't published yet. So that's just publishing. It won't take much longer. Okay, so right now it's published, so I can go back. Now to unpublish it, all you need to do is you need to come to the home page of Wix. So that's manage.wix.com. Then log into your website back office like over here. Then you can see on the left hand menu, you want to scroll down and then click on settings. That'll take you into the settings of your specific website. And then from here, the option you want to click on is this one here that says website settings. And then you can see at the top, it says site is published. All you need to do is look on the right of that. It says unpublish. Click on unpublish. It's going to ask you, do you want to unpublish your website? Click unpublish and it should change to unpublished in a moment. So that's just going to load and now it says site is unpublished. And then that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.